Welcome back. Getting on the big F350. Gonna start pulling the body off. We got all the bolts off. I gotta go find one more ratchet strap. I need two to be able to pick this one up with the hoist. And we gotta pound out the cab corner so the door can shut. My damn guinea hens. They're all the way freaking down there on the other side of the road. Damn little bastards. Oh. We got our two straps that we're gonna need for the cab. So this whole corner got all smashed in. So we're gonna hammer this all back out so the door can actually shut, because it's gotta hold the strap. And the door needs to stay shut when we lift the truck. So we got the BFS, and let's start beating. That'll work. There we go. Now we can get the straps on. Let's see if she's gonna come up the way I want her. I have the front ones here. I need to move them up over here so the nose comes up with it. So let me readjust these and then we'll try again. All right, let's try this again. still have a couple wires underneath. Gotta put some zip ties. Okay, so should come up now. Let's lay out like this. Yeah. The cab off, and now we can go get the tractor and we can pull the frame out. Alright, so got the frame moved over here for right now. So I think what I'm gonna do, because I do need to move the cab so I can put the frame back underneath so we can pull the transmission, because we blew the clutch up in this. And now that we have bigger tires than the 39s, because we got those big 46s, 47s, so we're rebuilding this whole thing. So I think I'm gonna grab the Toyota truck and back it underneath and put the cab on it. So let's see if the Toyota truck can hold the cab on this. Alright, let's see if the Toyota's gonna hold it and if the flatbed's gonna hold it. This will be fun. I gotta find a board to put here. Okay, let's shut down. So, we have it wrench strapped down. She didn't squat too bad. I got gland clearance. That was good. She's holding. We're just far enough away from the crane. I mean, she definitely could have came back a little bit more if we swung the crane over, but she's right on the back, right where she needs to be. She ain't going anywheres. So we'll find a spot to put this old girl. I don't even think I can reach the hood. Oh, I gotta jump all the way up here. There we go. Oops, I got the plug. I wasn't trying to get the plug. That'll do for right now. There we go. Let's go find a home for this for right now. Let's get the frame pushed back underneath so we can start pulling the engine. everything off. Next time, we will start on bolting the four-wheel drive case, the transmission, so we can see how bad that clutch is. Maybe you can get a little brick in there. No. Maybe if I turn the light on. Yeah, I don't think there's much left of the clutch in there because that thing totally grenaded. So it's always been sitting here for quite a while. Now I've got enough pieces to start pulling all this out. We're going to put the 4-speed on it instead of this 5-speed. Probably won't use this case. We'll be using the other one. So, and we do have the logging truck in. We got some new pieces. We got some universal joints and some frame repair and some electronic things to deal with the carburetor. So that'll be next. We'll be getting on that. But this is going to be the new frame. Well, technically it is the original frame for the truck. So we got some framework up front and stuff to do. We're going to take that case apart because it got water in it. We got to take that apart to get the shifters to work again so we can have twin sticks on this case. And then, do the lift and everything. We have a bed for it now. So it should be nice when we put the big tires and lift on it and everything. These are the new tires, what we got. So you can see how much bigger they are to the quad. So let's see what one of these looks like up against the truck while it's sitting here. That looks about center. Oh yeah, she's gonna be a big girl. That's for sure. Once we get these all set up and get this cab all back together. Oh yeah.